today we're using all of our favorite baking ingredients to talk about the different layers and types of brand protection. On the surface, they may all look the same, but when they're mixed together, they do completely different things. So, let's dive in. All right, so here we have three different white ingredients. The first is powdered sugar. We'll consider that a copyright. The second is regular sugar. We'll look at that as a registered trademark. And the last is just some flour. We'll consider that a patent. All right, there's this fourth white powdery substance. It is not used to solve a sweet tooth, but instead it is legal doom. We don't use that. Here are a list of things that you should file a copyright on. And then here are the most important things for you to file as a registered trademark. And then lastly, the things that you'll definitely want to file a patent on. We don't use legal doom for anything. Next time you find yourself in the business bakery, you'll know exactly what to do to protect your brand.